more.
Play at the blind, play at the blind.
Back.
Guns up, guns up.
Attaboy, come. Thank you.
Well, this was the second series, second dog to run, so it went pretty well. The dog did good on the walk-up, had a little bit of trouble seeing the flyer. It was longer out there, so when he went there, he had a really big hunt down deep.
Yeah.
It's nice and warm out here, and there was a good crosswind. The blind was nice with the angles and the rows.
Okay. So I got to ask you, you said, oh, I would have been so wrong, I would have been so wrong. You almost handled on the flyer, so I'm assuming you thought it was somewhere else.
Correct, yes.
Yeah.
I was looking at that going, the dog knew more where it was than I did.
Yeah.
It's all part of a teamwork out here at the
Yeah.
Master Amateur. You know, it's the handler and the dog. That mark on the flyer, he was in better shape than I. So if I was to blow the whistle.
If you would have handled there, you may have had a double handle on the other one that you did handle on.
Correct,
Yeah.
correct. So I waited a little bit longer, and when he found it, I was definitely wrong where I would have tried to handle him too.
So you handled on the walk-up bird.
The
'cause
flyer,
he was
yes.
on the walk-up
Yes.
bird, right? Because
Yes,
he
sir.
was going to go up to where the blind was. Is that why you stopped him?
Yeah, at that point, after seeing a big hunt, it was more beneficiary to do a quick handle
Yeah.
on the walk-up bird and get him back into the place.
All right. Well, he's looking good.
So far, so
So
good,
far,
yes.
All right. We're rooting for you.
Thank you.
Okay.